Hi guys! Today we'll show you how to find live streams right now on YouTube. First, unlock your phone and open YouTube. Once YouTube is open, we can search for the live stream we want to watch. Now tap on the search option at the top right side of the screen and search for the stream you want to watch. In this example, we're searching for Farming Simulator. Once the search results appear, tap on the three dots at the top right side of the screen. From the available options, tap on Search Filters. After opening Search Filters, scroll down through the available options. Under Features, find and select Live. Once Live is selected, tap on the back arrow at the top left side of the screen. You'll now see the available live streams for your search, so you can find live streams that are happening right now on YouTube. And that's how you can find live streams happening right now on YouTube. If this tutorial helped you, subscribe to Solution Lab and comment if you want more YouTube tutorials.